This is the time, this is the moment we shine, the moment we climb. There's moments in life where we fall or we fly. I'm still trying to find that sky, looking for a reason to listen to me. Let me just give you some pieces of me. Let me just take out my heart, then maybe you'll see that I'm not Superman, that I really do bleed. Might not give you that fake that repeats in your car, but I'll give you that music to heal every scar. Look to the sky and I pray to the stars, finding myself, I've been trapped in the dark. I don't know what it is that I'm here to do. Is this really the person I'm supposed to be? Trying to give you all my story, but I can never find the words, cause I don't know me. I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm angry, I'm mad, and it's all because of this past. When every kid in your school believes you can do it, but really thinks that you're trash. When you got friends that say you'll always be there, I look around where you at. It's like you are caught up and left, on to the next. What was my chance to pack? Putting in effort, I should've known better, but being alone is just nothing but pressure. Through my endeavors, I'm piecing this letter to every kid, trying to hold it together. This life is just long, not just one street. Even the strongest and men will fall weak, but with all the pain and the hurt, the tears on your shirt, that's what finding happiness means. And y'all probably think that I got this all down, well, I don't even